I'm Emma, Environmental Specialist at Ecochain, and I'm going to tell you about our new feature, the Products versus Object Library. This was launched recently and it's really important because it changes the way that you manage your items and your data in Mobius. So what we have a Products library and an Objects library. What is actually the difference between a product and an object? So a product is kind of like an end product. So for example, a table or a chair, it's something that consists of multiple items. So in this account we have two products, we have two types of tables. So we have this table, table Eve, and we have the wooden table. So these are our two products. However, these products consist of multiple layers. So here, for example, we see all the sub-items here. They are all objects. So they are like smaller pieces of the puzzle, but they are not a product in themselves. And those I can actually find in the object library. So by clicking in the left panel on the object library, you go to all of your objects, and those are actually shown here. So those are smaller components than the products. This really helps because it gives you one space where you can find your products, which is in the end why you are probably working with Mobius. And this gives you way more overview than when everything is displayed in the same page. You can determine whether something is an object or a product yourself. So if you want to, for example, move something to the object library from the product library or vice versa, you can click here on the triple dots and you can click on Move to Objects. So I did that now and you see immediately that my wooden table disappears. But if I want to find it, I can find it in the object library. Of course, this is actually a product of mine, so I want to move it back. So if I want to move anything to products, I can click on Move to Products. And it's back again. You can also work with products and objects in the Excel export and import because it's also part of the file. So in a different video, I will show you how that works and how you can change the status from something from product to object. This was our new feature, the products and objects. For more support, send us a message in the chat. See you around!